Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So a major event has been done. We are done with the Federal Reserve meeting. So yesterday Federal Reserve chairman came out and just showed the middle finger to everyone. So people were expecting they are going to Federal Reserve may pause the interest rate hike or may decrease. Even some people were saying they were decreasing, and I told last 2 or 3 trading session I have been saying and even in our Telegram group I have told that the possibility of pausing the interest rate is very remote. By the way, we have a very vibrant Telegram group. We discuss so many things there. If you want, you can join. Link is on the description below. So what happened is Fed came out and told there is going to be a 25 basis point increase in interest rate. But that was lined with expectation. But what people or what market participant didn't expect is Yellen's Treasury Chairman Yellen's comments. She came out and told that Federal Reserve is not doing anything or not doing in terms of blanket insurance for US banking system. So that created a panic among market participants, and even Dow Jones market fell so much yesterday night. So Dow Jones alone fell more than around 600 points. So that was a very good fall. But what was very surprising is, in spite of Dow Jones falling so much, our markets came gap down, rallied so much. Bank Nifty alone, today's Bank Nifty swing is alone more than 1200 points, and Nifty's swing alone is around more than 400 points. And what do you expect when 80% of 80% index short is there? Just not even 20% of long is there. I'm talking about FIA activity. So this is what is going to happen if FIAs are having such a huge short position. As I talk to you, even today, even now, they are having huge short position. So don't expect any all-time high anytime soon. There is no good news at all. Whatever we had good news is being factored into, and US Federal Reserve is not going to, in terms of interest rate hike, Federal Reserve is not going to pause the interest rate. No matter what happens, they are going to increase the interest rate. So we may see all this 16,800 can be taken out. In fact, Bank Nifty has gone below 39,500. This is sensible. This is not chart. In fact, if you see 17,000, from 17,000 high was around 17,200 today. From 17,200 all the way it came to around 17,000. In fact, the low was around below 17,050. And this is, if you think this Nifty is worst, Bank Nifty was much worse. Today's low of Bank Nifty is around 39,552. Maybe it should have taken, but 39,500 would have taken today. But fortunate people were able to, or institutions were able to hold this 39,500, and tomorrow I'm sure it is going to be taken out. That is what I see. I don't see any upward trajectory. Every event is done now. Federal Reserve event is also done now. So we need a really positive news in the market for the market to go on the higher side. But what is the good news? There is no good news at all. So that is what is my perspective, or that is what I am expecting. And we'll see one by one. And today's volatility, you must be aware of today's volatility. I don't have to talk much about today's volatility. Look at the swing at Bank Nifty, 39,700, 40,200, from 39,700 to 40,200, around 500 points rally. From there, one way move only till 39,500. That's a move of more than 1,200 points. And Nifty was better. Bank Nifty was worse performing. Nifty was better. So like whatever it gained in the first half of today's trading session is completely gone. 17,000 to all the way to 17,200, and it came and settled in 17,068 levels. So it started, it is ended in the same place where it started, but in between intraday volatility was so much. So that's why I told, what do you expect if FIAs are having so much of short position? Even today, FIAs have started. Yesterday was a day. That's why I told yesterday was a day where they haven't done anything, but today they have shown their true colors. If you see the FIA data today, FIAs have sold for 995 crores and DAs have bought for 1668 crores. Now we have another only how many? 4 more trading session. That is Friday. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is a holiday. I think due to Ram Navami, we have just only 4 trading sessions, but still there is no theta DK, and there is markets are moving like anything. India VIX dropped by, I think today India VIX alone dropped by 2.16% in spite of all this. So you can expect another 4 days of volatility. I don't think maybe 16,800 might be tested again. Who knows? Only God knows. And even 17,200, 250 levels can be tested. But today's price action or for the last 1 week, market hasn't moved anywhere at all. Last 3 or 4 trading session. In fact, 1 week market has not moved anywhere at all. It is moving between 16,800 to 17,250 levels. I am talking about Nifty, and Bank Nifty is like moving. Bank Nifty also same case. Last 1 week it has not moved anywhere. It is swinging between 38,800 and on the higher side 40,000. Last 3 days it's been trying to cross 40,000, but bulls are not strong enough. They couldn't take it above 40,000. So this is in terms of price action. So be careful. Anything can happen. So market may gap down. It all depends on how US market pans out tonight. As I talk to you, US futures are flat. In fact, Europe is down. FTSE is almost down by more than 0.5%. German is down by more than 0.5%. And US markets are almost flat. So we'll see how things pan out tomorrow. But my thing is, I expect that the market might be flat or open flat tomorrow. That is what is my expectation. And as I told you, future index short, if you see, there are still 214,392 active contracts. So still they are having huge short position. That's why I'm always saying the likeliness or likelihood of market going on the higher side is very, very less unless until there is any good news. I don't want to talk about stock. I don't want to talk about HDFC, or I don't want to talk about banking things, or how this stock or how that stock performed, because I am an option seller. We sell mostly indices, index option, so that's why we talk mostly about these things. So be careful. Let's see how things pan out. Just 4 more days for this March series to expire. I think hopefully market should open flat tomorrow. Then from there we don't know which direction it is going to take, whether it is going to go on the downside or whether it is going to go on the higher side. That we really don't know. We will have to wait and see how the market pans out. That's why I told it purely depends on how the US market is going to come out tonight. So just be careful. In case if it is going to gap down, maybe we will see levels of around 39,000 of 300 levels in Bank Nifty. And I don't think it's going to gap up, but in case it gap ups, maybe we will see again 40,000 is having a good resistance. That's in terms of Bank Nifty. And in terms of Nifty, there is a strong support at 16,800 levels. So this level 16,800, first it has to cross 17,000. In case it gaps down below 17,000, we might see 16,800 levels. Anyway, 16,800 is a very strong support. We bounced from there. Last 2 or 3 trading session before, we bounced from 16,800 levels. So in case it gap ups, which is not going to happen, maybe we will test 17,200 levels, right? So I think I have summarized everything. Let's hope for the best. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.